Studying Chinese gives you a front row seat in the race for the future. China is rapidly building up its capabilities in artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things. By going through our lessons, you will develop a better understanding of how China is forging ahead in these new fields for the advancement of society. Keep up the good work. In today's video, we'll teach you the Chinese character for bird pronunciation. Niao. This is a fun character in the Chinese language because the character niao originally resembled a bird with its head, talons, and wings. This makes it easy to learn. Be careful not to confuse the character for bird niao with the character for crow wu. The two characters are very similar, the difference being there is an extra line or dash in bird, which is absent in crow. Now let's see some examples. Niao chao, bird's nest. Niao zui, beak. Niao shi, bird's seed. Niao long, bird cage. Niao lei xue, the study of birds or ornithology. So there you have it, now you know the character for bird in Chinese. Congratulations on building up your fundamental Chinese vocabulary. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more Chinese lessons.